Alright, so if you're gonna dance, you gotta pay the fiddler. I ain't never done anything this crazy. Ammo shop online. Never had this brand either. Jacketed hollow point. These were full metal jacket. Well, there's 150 rounds. Okay, enjoy. Okay, so here's the hollow point, 158 grain. Pretty cool. Full metal jacket, blunt, and not much to look at. I'd still hate to get hit by one of these though. Oh wow. Got me a couple decals. Like I said, I've never heard of this company here, but I'm sure they're just as good as anything else, I hope anyway. That ought to do me for a while. Alright, later.